Right now, the sentiment score for data science is sitting at plus 0.48, which is a noticeable spike compared to our historical baseline. This isn't just a random blip. It indicates a growing optimism in the community, even as momentum is down, minus 0.37. You're looking at a tension that could signal an impending shift in discussions around this topic. Our API returns detailed insights, including sentiment scores, momentum, and semantic clusters, giving you a comprehensive view of the conversation landscape. Imagine using this to fine-tune your content strategy, or even inform your product development based on emerging trends. Want to dive deeper? Visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs for more insights and tools that help you leverage sentiment data effectively.